Guys, welcome back to my channel, Royal Dimes. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend about this channel. Click the notification bell to get notifications. So today we'll be making glazed banana bread, as you guys can see in the title. So we're going to start by crushing our bananas. So my whisker wasn't giving what it's supposed to give, y'all. It's the plastic type of whisker, and it kind of feel weak when I whisk the ingredients together. It never that give what it's supposed to give, that strength, you know. But anyway, I managed to get the job done. Yeah, so you know the daughter never have no measuring cup, so the daughter did have to use what she have. Yes, I'm just use the local Yankee cup you won't get from the dollar store. You know I'm a fan of the dollar store. I'm always buying little things here and there from the dollar store, so this cup came in handy. Yeah, so here I'm greasing the pan. I had put the pan to heat, forget that, yeah, but somehow I took it out and it got cold, and by the time I'm ready to grease, the butter couldn't melt, but still I rub it out in the pan and all these things. Yeah, you girl know how to make things work, you know the thing goes, so you have to make it work one way or another, just like that. So after I grease the pan, I put a little flour just so the mixture won't stick to the pan after it's finished baking. It slides out easily when you grease and flour your pan. So this is me checking on it. It wasn't quite ready yet, if you notice the middle. Lord Jesus, we come a banana bread and soda myself. I feel myself, I'm proud of myself. My first time baking a banana bread, my favorite. don't know how to do it. We gotta pour that sugar. So I'm gonna add a little milk to powder sugar, and I added a little bit too much, so I ended up having to add more powdered sugar to get the mixture and the texture just right. Yeah, so after I mix my glaze, I just put it all over that banana bread, you know. I was just playing with this glaze at this moment because, you know, I like marble cake and stuff with glaze all over it, so this is why I decided to do my banana bread with glaze. You know, I love a good banana bread and I love the glaze all over my pastry. So right here I'm just playing with it. Don't mind me. Just making sure to get all the sides and get this glaze all over my banana bread. And it was good, guys. Trust me. You won't regret it. If you're a pastry lover like myself, the glaze plus the banana bread, perfect. And guys, do remember to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Tell a friend, tell another friend about this channel. Stay tuned for more videos and vlogs, you know. So guys, I was using one hand to hold the camera and one hand to cut the bread. It kind of looks like I'm struggling right here, but trust me, it was soft and moist, you know. Tastes good. Came out just right.